Saya Muhammad Marzuki dari Prodi Sistem Informasi, mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang apa itu simple past, expressing prohibition, present continuous, asking for and giving advice, degrees of comparison, simple present, question word. Pertama, simple past. Apa itu simple past? Simple past adalah suatu bentuk tense yang menggambarkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi pada satu spesifik waktu di masa lampau. Formula simple past positif, subject plus be plus was atau were. Negatif, subject plus be was atau were plus not. Integratif, be was atau were plus s. Example, I was stamp collector. Negatif, I wasn't a stamp collector. Was I stamp collector? Expressing prohibition atau mengungkapkan larangan. Pertama, can, cannot atau can. Formula subject plus cannot plus can plus verb. Example, you can park in here. 2. May not. Formula subject plus may not plus verb. Example, you may not visit this area. 3. Must not. Formula subject plus must not atau mustn't plus verb. Example, you must not smoke in this area. Present continuous adalah tense yang berfungsi untuk mengungkapkan aksi yang sedang dilakukan pada masa sekarang. Formula simple past positif, subject plus be, am, is, are plus present participle. Negatif, subject plus be, am, is, are plus not present participle ing. Integratif, be, is, am, is, are plus subject plus present participle. Example, the sheep are smiling. Negatif, he is both smiling. Tanda tanya, is he smiling? Asking for and giving advice atau yang disebut juga dengan meminta saran. Contoh-contoh kata-kata minta saran yaitu what do you suggest, what do you advise me to do, what should I do, what ought I to do, what's your advice if you were me, what would you do, dan lain-lainnya. Because not allowed. Formula subject plus are, am, is plus not allowed plus 2 plus verb. Example, non-members are not allowed to borrow books. Not permitted. Formula subject plus are plus am plus not permission plus 2 plus verb. Example, he is not permitted to play football. Be prohibited. Formula subject plus are, I am atau is plus prohibited plus from plus grant. Example, eating pork is prohibited for Muslim. 7. Do not atau don't. Formula do not plus verb. Example, do not fish in this area. Degrees of comparison adalah kata sifat yang mengubah bentuk dan digunakan untuk membandingkan suatu hal atau beberapa orang dengan yang lain. Terdapat 3 jenis degrees of comparison. Pertama, positive degree, kedua, comparative degree, dan ketiga, degree the Higgs level. Positive degree is level is an adjective used to express a level that is ordinary or simple. Positive degree formula an example sentence as adjective plus as. Example, David is as tall as my brother. 2. Knowledge plus adjective plus than. This guy is no less clever than me. 3. Not plus as plus adjective plus as. Example, this pen isn't as black as that. 2. Comparative degree, more level. Comparative degree, more level, is an adjective used to express an object or person has a level is more than the comparison. Comparative degree formula adjective plus or plus than. Example, today is colder than yesterday. 2. More plus adjective. Example, Madonna is more popular than Britney Spears. 3. Adjective plus a year plus than much. Example, his motorcycle is far better than yours. 4. Far plus more plus adjective plus than much. Your cell phone is far more expensive than theirs. 5. Subject plus verb plus the plus comparative plus of the two plus noun. Rudy is the tailor of the 2 boys. 6. Of the 2 plus noun plus subject plus verb plus the plus comparative of the 2 bugs, this one is the prettier. 3. Superlative degree, the Higgs level. Superlative degree Higgs level is an adjective used to express the Higgs level of comparison. Superlative degree formula 1. Adjective plus as plus noun plus in plus singular noun. Example, Donna is the cleverest student in the class. 2. The plus most plus adjective plus of plus plural noun. Example, she is the tallest of the girl. 3. One of the plus superlative plus plural noun. Example, of the 4 shirts, this one is the cutest. 4. Least plus adjective. Example, the shoes are the least expensive of all. Simple present. Simple present tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja untuk menyatakan fakta, kebiasaan, atau kejadian yang terjadi pada saat ini. Simple present tense formula. Rumusnya positif subject plus verb 1 plus s atau es plus objek. Negatif subject plus do atau does not plus verb 1. Integratif do atau does plus subject plus verb 1 plus objek. Example, I use computer. Negatif, they do not use computer. Interrogative, Does he use a computer? Nah, untuk yang non verbal positif, subject plus to be, am, is, are plus adjective atau adverb. Negatif, subject plus to be, am, is, are plus not plus adjective atau adverb. Integratif, to be plus subject plus adjective atau adverb. Example, she is beautiful girl. Negatif, she is not beautiful girl. Interrogative, is the beautiful girl. Question word. Question word adalah kata yang digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu, tempat, orang, benda, hal, alasan, atau cara, dan lain-lain. English question word berupa berbagai WH sampai word, yaitu kata yang diawali oleh WH. What, when, where. Function what, asking for information about something. What is your name, asking for repetition or confirmation. To, when. Function, asking about time. Example, when did he leave. 3, where, asking in or at what place or position. X, where do they live. 4, who, function, asking what or which person or people without subject. 5, why, function, asking for a reason, asking what, for example, why do you say that. 6, how, function, asking about condition, example, how does this work. Sampai di sini penjelasan saya tentang pelajaran bahasa Inggris ini. Apabila ada kurang lancar atau kurang lengkap, saya minta maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.